Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the vlogs. Today is quite possibly, well it actually is the hottest day in Nashville. It's gonna get up to 90 degrees. And what are we doing?
We're playing a show.
Jawaz is playing a show today with Vacation Manor outside at the hottest hour of the day at 4 o'clock with no covering in the middle of the park.
I'm sorry.
He was gonna dress up for the show and wear jeans, but we're going in this. So I've got this like tank bra thing on and this like minimal clothing at this point. But it's been slowly getting really hot in Nashville. I actually have been working out at the gym recently because it is too hot to even work out unless you are up and out at 6 a.m. at this point. We are at the point where the windows are completely covered in condensation in the morning. The humidity is thick here in Nashville. Jawaz is trying to hook up this new like cold brew system thing so that we can start making iced coffees, and hopefully that will be our savior during the summer. So this is our cold brew mechanism. This is called a toddy, and basically this is gonna make a cold brew concentrate that you add to water. So Jawaz is filling it up with coarsely ground coffee, and then you let it sit with the water in it for like, is it 10 to 12 hours?
18.
18 hours. It says on the box 10 to 12 hours, so I don't know. No, it says 12 to 24 hours. Oh my gosh.
Typically, I'm gonna start at 18 and then adjust kind of as we make it.
Okay. So basically, yeah, so this will have a coffee concentrate, so it's gonna be really concentrated, and it should last up to 2 weeks where you can like mix it with water and then it makes like a cold brew. This will be us very soon, which I'm very excited about because it is just too hot to drink hot coffee now. So this is what we're going for, and hopefully it'll be good. So once this thing has the proper amount of coffee, Jawaz is gonna dump filtered water into it, and then we're gonna let it sit in this tub for 18 hours, and then we're gonna let it drip out through here, and then you can like put a lid on it and keep it in your fridge. Riley, you wanna say hi? Come here, come say hi. Come say hi. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. All right, here we go. We got this on Amazon, by the way. I can link it down below. We'll try to give y'all a recipe once we figure it out, but it takes a few times to kind of like dial it into the right measurements and stuff, so hopefully it'll be good.
Just gonna let it bloom here. Sort of trying to wet all the grounds.
Look at her. Do you put this in the fridge while it's steeping or no?
No. Make sure all the grounds kind of get... You don't want to stir necessarily, but you just want to make sure they all get submerged. Cool.
Showing off your whistling.
Oh yeah.
Right now, we are gonna go grab some lunch at this place called Radish. We've been very into salads and bowls lately, and this place is so good. You guys should check it out if you're in Nashville. It's like, I think it's pretty new actually, but we are packed up. I have got 2 full water bottles here in my backpack, just cause it's a hot one. Introduce yourselves. You already know Haley.
I'm Haley. And I'm Kaylee.
Why is that funny? Haley is, we thrifted together in Lynchburg. That's like one of my most viewed thrifting videos.
Really?
And Haley still runs her
Haley Girl Home
account. So,
oh my gosh. At
famous
Haley Girl
thrift
Home.
girl. We are out thrifting for a hat. So we are out at Southern Thrift. There's a couple locations here in Nashville, but I haven't been thrifting in forever.
These are kind of cute, but they're $8.
It's expensive here.
I feel like that's not...
Should be like $3.50.
And they're Gap.
Haley, tell us about that one time that you found the Valentino bag.
Valentino?
Was it Valentino? What was it?
Yves Saint Laurent.
Oh, Saint Laurent.
Saint Laurent. It was $20 and it was real. And
did you sell it? Or do
I'm
you have
trying
it?
to sell it, but I might keep it.
You should keep it.
It's blue. It's like a bright blue though. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, but it's like literally a designer bag. I got it confirmed that it was.
Cute.
So if anyone wants to buy it from me, let me know.
Hit her up on Instagram. Walking to go find the guys right by all the porta potties. Found them. This is what the backstage life is
This
like.
is the backstage life. We've got a single porta potty for boat tippers to use.
For
and
only performers.
And we've got some jets and a cooler of energy drinks, so we're pretty ready to go. Yeah, so this is the band. This is kind of what backstage life is like. I mean, it's just like we're just chilling Okay, where are we standing?
So hot. What kind did you get? Cilantro pineapple with cayenne in it.
Ooh, I got blueberry lemonade, and he got
just some water.
Hey! Hey, Hans! What's up? With my McDonald's water!
Give it up for Vacation Manor. There's no good reason for seeing all the signs so. There's a song off the new record called Parachute.
This is my favorite.
I still recall the weight on my shoulders. Getting older, I'm sitting back while the story unfolds.
Alright, we're doing a little post-show grill sesh / pool sesh. All the band guys are gonna come over, but starting it up. You're doing a great job, honey.
Yeah.
This grill master. Good morning. It is not the next day, but the next day. I think where I left off, we had finished up the show. Jay-Waz was sweating. We were all sweating so much. It was like the hottest day in Nashville. And then we went to the pool after because that just sounded amazing. So we grilled out, we went to the pool, and then we ended up going out that night at like 10:30, and we did not get back in bed until 1 a.m. So we slept in the next morning, and then I also took a 4-hour nap. And yesterday was basically just a day of me sleeping. So nothing really happened yesterday. We ended up just chilling, went on a walk. But today we are up. We are out and we are off to the mall to go to Zara because we are doing a project with the mall featuring Zara, which is really exciting. So I've got on my little Zara top that I got last time I was there, and then I've actually got on a pair of like Everlane shorts, but it is so hot today. I feel like we are just we're in summer. The nice days are over. It is full on summer, and we're actually gonna find Jay-Waz some new shorts because he has been wearing athletic shorts, but now that it's summer, he doesn't really want to wear jeans anymore. So we've got to find something as an alternative that's a little bit nicer. So we thought we'd take you with us. My athletic boy. My favorite thing about Zara is all of the accessories. I love all of their like shoes and stuff because they're so trendy. Jay-Waz is a champ. Got a few things. I definitely had self-control, don't worry. But now we're upstairs in the men's looking for Jay-Waz. Today there's actually like nobody here, which is pretty rare. So we're gonna try to find some new looks for him. Look at him going to the coats and jackets. What about this Hawaiian shirt? Come on. Jay-Waz is a big jacket guy. What about this purse, this crossbody? We can match. Ooh. You wear like all white shirts, so honestly I feel like you could go kind of direction with the shorts. We have got a lot of linen going on here. Summer vibes. We just finished up at Zara and we shot our photos, and the dressing rooms have never opened since the store's been open, so I'll have to try everything on when I get home. Jaywaz was able to grab a few pairs of shorts.
Got some shorts.
Alright, I'm still journaling this morning, but Jaywaz decided to give us a fashion show. Nice. Love the shorts. Love the top. It's a great color. Riley's been eating up this fashion show. You love it. Oh, 360. As you guys saw this morning, Jason tried on his Zara stuff. I have not tried mine on yet, so I thought we could do that together. I went ahead and I got ready for the day, but I didn't do my hair because I'm gonna be doing tennis later. I am learning tennis. One of my friends is teaching me, and I've got to be totally honest, I am terrible at tennis. I thought I would be good at tennis because I'm relatively okay at pickleball, and I was like, how much harder could it be? It's just a ball and a racket, and it is so difficult. Tennis is so hard. So this is my second time playing tennis. I really want to actually learn it and be able to play, but right now I'm just doing basically like tennis lessons. Like I'm learning the basics of tennis, but I'm really excited. So that is why I decided to not wash my hair, because I'm just gonna end up sweating this evening anyway. So what's the point? But we're gonna go through the stuff that I got at Zara because I think I got some really cute stuff. I'm hoping that it all fits. I feel like with Zara, because the dressing rooms aren't open, it's definitely hit or miss for me whether stuff fits me well or not. So I usually have to return like half of it just because I am very particular about the way that things fit, and if I'm gonna spend my money on it, I want it to fit really well. So we're gonna just try stuff on and see if we like it. Jason tried on all his stuff this morning and he like loves all of it. He loves the shorts, and I feel like we got a really good like haul for him that he just really loves. So hoping that I really love my pieces as well, because I thought these were all really, really cute. Okay, the first thing I got, we'll start with the shorts. I got this really cute pair of shorts that actually comes with this belt, and that's why I was like, that's like a really great pair of shorts. These ones were $45. I got them in an extra small, but they're super high-waisted, like linen pleated shorts. Very different than anything that I have. I really, really love the belt, and I think they're gonna be a really comfortable length to where they're not like too short. So I'm really excited to try these on. I'm gonna just show you everything and then I'll try it on. But the next thing that I got is this top, and actually Jason was like, that's a really cute top, and I was like, you have such a good eye. This is a little like almost kind of like a wrap top, but it's not an actual true wrap. This one has a smocked kind of waist, and then the sleeve is like this big linen sleeve. So I thought this was really, really cute. I love obviously anything that's like neutral color, but it has this really pretty stripe detailing on it. So I thought that would be really nice. The next thing that I got is a dress, and again, we're sticking to the neutrals and we're sticking to linen, but I thought this one was just such a cute little dress you could wear with sneakers. I love it. It's a little tiered dress. It's actually kind of like, it goes to the middle of my thigh, which I feel like is a really, really good length. And then it has the cutest little puff sleeve and a V-neck. So I thought this was just a really great casual piece. And then the last thing that I got is actually colorful. I feel like y'all are gonna really like this one. So this is a colorful purple linen button-down top. It is a crop, so it's not a super long piece. You can wear it with just denim shorts. That'd be really, really cute. So I did get one colorful piece, but I'm gonna try all that stuff on, show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so these are the shorts, and I love the way that these fit. I think these fit actually perfectly. The belt isn't actually holding them up. They fit without the belt. I just think the belt is super cute, so I would definitely wear it with the belt. I've got it paired with a black tank from Lulu's. This is probably how I would style it. Something kind of fitted on the top because these are a little bit looser, but I just love the color, and the pleat and the linen material is so, so nice. I've also got it paired with like a brown sandal because I think don't know, it just makes it a little bit of a summery vibe. But these shorts, I'm obsessed. They are so comfortable and I just absolutely love the length. They're not too short, so I just feel really, really comfy in them. So this is the top and I am so happy with this top. I was a little bit worried that it was gonna cut really low because sometimes the Zara tops can just be like a little bit plunging of a neckline, which definitely works for some people. I just prefer to like, I don't know, to not have to work around that situation with a bra or like figure out, you know, different ways to wear it. So I think this top is totally appropriate. It is the perfect length, not too cropped. I've got it paired with my Everlane shorts that I've just been wearing nonstop, and I just love the sleeve length, the cut, the design on it, this like stripe with the smocking. I think this is just a great summer top. Very comfortable. You can obviously dress it up or you can just pair it with some denim. Very, very easy to style. And I'm just really, really happy with this neckline. I think this is the most appropriate neckline for me and I feel really, really comfortable in it. It's not too revealing and I just really, really like it. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am obsessed with this dress. Oh, I love it so much. I've just got it paired with the same heels, but you could throw on sneakers, a flat sandal. This dress fits like so perfectly, so comfortably. It is so loose. Literally nothing is touching my body. It just is, wow, this dress is a dream. I actually found it originally in like this light blue kind of like chambray color, but then I saw it in this beautiful khaki and I was like, this feels a little bit more me, and I'm so glad that I got this color. I think this color looks so good with my skin tone and I just love the tiered ruffle, the sleeves, the neckline. It is just the perfect length. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with this dress. I am shocked. I think every single piece that I got is a home run. I am obsessed with this top. This color is so, so cute. And what's really fun about this one, which I don't think I showed you while I was holding it up, is that it has these double button detailing, which I think just makes it really unique. I love the fit. Any type of like relaxed button down. You guys know I love shirts with buttons on it. And it is a crop, so you really don't even have to tuck it. It's the perfect length. You obviously can do like just a little front tuck if you want, but I love this color so much and the fit is just so good. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed going to Zara with me and spending the weekend with me, seeing Jason play his show. It felt so incredible to be out at live music. That is seriously something that I've missed so much over the last year, and then just seeing all of the people there just like living their lives, and it just was a moment where I was like, wow, like things feel really, really normal, and this is like a really beautiful moment of just seeing people together again. And it was just such a fun weekend having the Vacation Mary guys in town, and I don't know, it's just a very, very full week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around for some more videos. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye, y'all.